In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Project Phases add-on. The Project Phases add-on lets you change the phase of the project or the life cycle of the project based on tasks that are marked complete in your project. The first thing you need to do is change your template or your project to determine which tasks are going to be marked off that change the phase. So to do that, I added the project at phase completion column to my task list. And you can simply edit right from the task list and say when planning is complete, we want development to be the next phase. And hit save. And then when development is complete, we want the phase of the project to go into the testing phase. So now when the task planning complete is marked done, the project will be in development phase. When development complete is marked done, it'll go into testing phase. And as a project manager, I can come in here and manually change the phase. Down here, it started in planning because that was my initial phase. And now let's just run through this. As your team members mark the tasks done, let's say the planning is being conducted, they're marking that done, and then someone decides, yep, the planning is really truly done. These two are done. Development is the phase that this project should be in now. Let's go test it. If we edit the project, we can see it moved the phase automatically to development, so you don't have to do that as a project manager. Now let's continue through this project. Development happens, that's done. Development complete is done. And you'll see that when I edit the projects are going to be automatically going to be moved into the testing phase. And you'll see there it is in testing. As a project manager, you can always change this setting, go, no, we're not really there, we want to be here, and start to manually override it. But that's not the point of this particular add-on. The add-on is supposed to mean let your templates dictate this so you don't have to do it. It's just all automated. And one thing to note is if you have more than one task that says phases, like for example, these two tasks must be done in order to move in the phases. So it basically, if you have 3 or 4 or 5 tasks that when they're done, change the phase to the phase at completion, it would require all of the tasks that you have marked to be done in order to do that, or mark complete, 100% complete, or done using the work status. So that's how it works. There's more videos about this project phases if you need to.